This is a Getting Started tutorial for the TI Innovator Hub and TI Nspire CX series calculator. This tutorial is aligned with the free 10 minutes of coding lessons available from the Texas Instruments website. In this session, we introduce sound via the speaker on board the TI Innovator. The speaker may be used to create an audible alert, similar to that generated by a car's reverse sensors. You can also play a sequence of sounds from a tune. The sound command allows you to select the frequency and the duration. So let's get started. Connect the TI Innovator Hub to your calculator. Create a new document and select Program Editor, followed by New. I'll call the program Sound 1. The most effective and efficient way to program on the handheld is to use the menus. Select the Hub option, followed by Send Set, and select Sound. The sound command requires a frequency to be specified. The reverse sensor heard previously had a frequency of 1800 Hz, so let's try that one. The sound command can also include time. If the time is not specified, it will use a default amount of 1 second. To locate the time command, go to Hub, Settings, and select Time. I'll set the speaker to sound for 2 seconds. Now the program is finished. Press Ctrl followed by R, and then press Enter. In Skill Builder 3 for the TI Innovator, the instructions show how to generate a prompt for the frequency and time. But you could have a list of frequencies and times in a list. The tune you heard earlier in the video has been stored in a spreadsheet. I need the program to automatically move from note to note or frequency to frequency in my list. I'll do this using the For command. Highlight the commands or command that you want to repeat and select For from the control menu. The for loop needs a counter variable. I'll set mine as I, starting at 1, and to make my program more flexible, I'll use the dim command to work out the dimensions, that is the number of frequencies, in my list. As I am using a variable in my send command, I need the calculator to evaluate it before sending it to the Innovator Hub. The first frequency is located in frequency 1, then frequency 2, in other words, frequency I. I can do the same for the time variable. If I run the program now, all the instructions will be sent to the Innovator Hub almost at once. So I'll include a wait command before sending each instruction. I don't need to use the evaluate command here because this instruction is not being sent to the Innovator. Now we're done. Now my favourite tune will play. Check out Skill Builder 3 for the TI Innovator Hub for more sound ideas. Unit 2 includes some useful tips for creating music. That's all for this tutorial. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you can be kept up to date as new tutorials are added to this series. Thanks for watching.